Introducing Faber's Maxus Hobs, a range of hybrid premium hobs that gives your kitchen top a graceful appearance with possibly the widest arrangement of burner options. With Maxus, you could never go wrong. It's beautiful, it's versatile, it is loaded with features and functions of high-class hobs. They are studded with black enameled brass burners for a rich aesthetic look. The premium metal knobs with golden insets are not just stunning, but they ensure solid longevity. The high-performance 2.5 kilowatt burner gives it much-needed higher power, and the 1.5 kilowatt lower frame burner provides much-needed consumer versatility in product usage. The cast iron pan support adds to the robustness of the appliance. But the USP of Maxus cooktops lies in its excellent burners, which ensures safety of the appliance. And its inbuilt ignition mechanism makes all the Maxus cooktops close at hand. With quality and aesthetics being supremely constant, there isn't any kitchen where this stunner couldn't find a space. So, don't rob your kitchen with this beauty. Order now.